Today we are going to talk about to do the matrix multiplication, and this time we will do a 3 by 4 matrix times 4 by 3 matrix, and the result we will get a 3 by 3 matrix here. So first thing we should set up the matrix with array, and this is the number in the matrix. It's a 3 by 4 matrix, you can see, and also down here is a 4 by 3 matrix. And this is our result for we set it here. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. And so for matrix multiplication, we need for loops. And so I set the result here. It means the sum of all these things. And first, I use the first number of the first line of matrix 1 times the first number of the first row of matrix 2. That's how matrix multiplication do. And means I times each number in the first line of matrix 1 by the each number of the first row of the matrix 2. And so it will give me the sum of them, which will be the first number of output. And so once we get an output here, I will print out here. This also use two for loops to represent each number in the matrix. So I will run it. Okay. So here's a function code that can give us the inverse matrix. I don't have the ability to make it right now, so I extract the code from the internet. So here's the code. Basically, it will give us the do the matrix multiplication and find the inverse matrix. So here is so the goal is here is to do some matrix multiplication, and you can see I set a matrix X here, and I set a multiplication matrix. It is a function in this code I showed you here, and once I enter the input and also the inverse matrix 1, they will times these two together, and I will get an output matrix X. And so also here it means the input is inverse matrix 1, and the matrix 1 we times together, we change the order, and the result will be different. And also here is I get a input is matrix 1 and matrix 2. So basically this HW17 point the inverse matrix 1, it gives me the inverse matrix of matrix 1. The multiplication matrix, this I put two input here, and it will give me the result of the multiplication of these two matrix. So once we get a output from here, result from here, we just simply print it up down here. So print out a matrix. We need a 2 for loop, and here's the length of the matrix, and it will print it out each number in the matrix one by one. And also here is a check catch check catch method. If something wrong with this thing in here, it will show you that there's a serious error detected, because it won't run the program. Normally, if you have something wrong in this program, your program will just collapse. But if you have a check catch loop, try catch method, you will escape this part and show that there's an error, and your program won't collapse. So yeah, here's the all contents today. Thank you.